everybody and welcome back to another video. I'm actually quite excited about today's video because I am going to teach you some awesome tricks about the bras which you would have not known otherwise. After watching today's video, when you go for bra shopping next time, you will know exactly where to go and which bra to pick up, which will save you heaps of time and heaps of money. Let's be honest, none of us have got any formal qualification or training in picking up the right kind of bra. It's all a hit and trial method for us, including me. Sometimes we get lucky and we come home with the right kind and right fit bra, and other times not so lucky and we waste our money in buying the bra which doesn't fit us properly and which is not the right size and right kind of bra for us. So I thought I will put this video together for you guys to understand how the bras are made, how these bras are going to fit the different breast sizes and shapes, and if you have got really large and full breast and you want to give your breast an appearance of a smaller breast, what tricks to do. And if you have got smaller breast and you want your breast to look full and you want your breast to look bigger and you want your chest to look wider, what tricks to do. So there is another thing I want you guys to understand about the bras is bra plays an important role in keeping your breast tissues together and keeping your breast tissues in the place where they're supposed to be. If your bra is a wrong kind, wrong size and wrong fit for you, your breast tissues actually move in like various different directions. Your breast tissues can move up, they can move down, they can start moving towards the opposite directions, which is not what you want. You want your breast tissues to all facing forward and to face in the center. So that's another thing about the bras. Once we start getting older, what happens is our breast tissues starts moving towards the side. So ladies which are in their 50s or over 50s, you will notice their breast tissues start moving from the center towards the side, and the migration goes towards under the armpit. So the most of their breast volume is towards the side and under the armpit. And I will show you the tricks how to bring all the breast tissues to forward and to the center. So if you want to learn about these awesome bra tricks, then keep on watching. I just want to make one thing very clear over here. I'm not a stylist and I don't have a formal qualification or training in picking up the bras. Whatever I'm going to teach you today is purely from my experience with the various kinds of brands and various different types of bras. So those of you who are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. My name is Anna. I am a fully qualified cosmetic nurse. Apart from being on YouTube, I also work in a skin clinic where I treat men and women from the various backgrounds for various different skin concerns. I make 2 videos a week, every Tuesday and every Saturday, and if you want to learn my tricks, subscribe right here and press on that bell icon and you will never miss out on another video. In my experience, the most supportive bras are the bras which have got these seams in their cups. These ones here. These bras with the seams in the cup are also called as cut and sew bras or multi-part bras. These bras which has got seams in the cup gives you the best support and the best shape. These seams are designed to add extra strength, extra support and best shape to your breast. And there is one more thing which you probably wouldn't know is these side panels. Look here. So this bra has got this tiny side panel, and I will show you few more bras with the side panels because these side panels are great if you have got the little bit of a saggy breast and your breast tissues have moved to the side, because these side panels play an important role bringing all the breast tissue forward and to the center. So I'll show you another bra which I have which has got a little bit bigger side panel. Look at this side panel. So this side panel is a little bit bigger compared to the bra I just show you. So the bigger the side panel, the more strength and more support you're gonna get from the bra. And if your bra, if your breast is a little bit saggy and your breast tissues are moved to the side, these side panels play an important role bringing all the breast tissues forward and to the center. So if you are somebody who have already got a very large and very full breast, but all you need is some little bit extra support and strength and a natural shape, then you look for the bras which have got the seams running in the middle or seams running in a horizontal way. So the bras which have got seams running in the horizontal way are designed just to give you that little extra support, little extra strength, and makes your breast look more natural. So these bras will work well for you lucky ladies who already have got really big and large and full breast. But if you are someone with a smaller breast and you want to have the illusion of bigger breast, then seams running in the horizontal way is not the bra for you. I will show you which bras you look for if you have got smaller breast. So if you are someone who is really skinny, thin, petite, and you don't have much breast, but you want your breast to look full, you want your breast to look bigger, and you want your breast to look lifted, then you look for the seams which are running from the bottom towards up. I will show you. So you should be looking for the cups like this which has got vertical seams starting from the bottom going up. And I will put this bra on and I will show you how this bra instantly lifts your breast because of these vertical seams. So these vertical seams in the cup are the best friends for the girls who are skinny and who have got smaller breasts. So I'm going to put this bra on and I'll show you how this bra instantly lifts up my breast. So look at this bra with the vertical seams starting from the bottom and running up. These vertical seams are designed to give you an instant lift. Look at this. So as I said, if you are a really small, skinny and petite girl and you don't have a bigger breast and you want your breast to be instantly lifted and have an illusion of bigger breast, then go for the cups with the seams running vertically from the bottom up for an instant lift and a bigger breast appearance. There is another thing I would like to bring your attention to is if you are someone with a smaller breast and you want your breast to look bigger, you always go for these triangles in the middle. Can you see this triangle? What this triangle does is this pushes your breast apart in this direction. So it's gonna make your breast look more rounder and it's gonna make your breast look full. So there is one more thing I would like to show you is if you have got a smaller chest and you want your chest to have an illusion of a wider and bigger chest, then go for balcony bras or square bras. The bra which I am wearing at the moment is called balcony bra, or you can call as square bra. The reason is their straps are sitting quite wide apart. You can see they're sitting quite wide on my shoulders, and these balcony bras or wide bras or square bras give your chest a wider chest appearance, makes your chest look bigger and makes your breast look bigger as well. So the three things for the girls who have got small breast: go for vertical seams running from the bottom towards up, look for the triangle in the middle, and look for balcony bra or square bra where the straps are sitting quite wide apart on your chest. And then for you lucky ladies who already has a really big and full breast and you are just looking for additional support, some little bit of a flattering look, and you want your breast tissues to sit in the center and towards forward, just look for the breast with the side panel here. I don't know if you can see the side panel, this side panel here, to bring all your breast tissues towards the center. And this extra layer of fabric on the top of your cup, it just gives you that additional coverage, additional support, and a little bit of a flattery look. So now let's talk about the cleavage bras. Cleavage bras, as the name indicates, give you a really nice flattering cleavage. But be mindful, cleavage bras are not designed to give you any extra support, strength or anything. Yes, they give you a really flattering and sexy look. They give you a really nice cleavage, but don't expect any strength and support from the cleavage bras. And I will show you how the cleavage bras are look like. So cleavage bras looks like this. They have got like this little panel in the middle to keep these cups together. You can see by looking at this bra, apart from this little section here, there is not enough support going on with this bra. So I'll put this bra on and show you how this bra makes my cleavage look like. It's really flattering, but it doesn't give you any support. So if you are somebody who is looking for support and strength, then cleavage bra is not the bra for you. Don't go for this type of bras. This is only and purely for cleavage. So this bra is called cleavage bra or plunge bra. It has got this little section right in the middle, and apart from this little middle section, there is nothing else going on with this bra. You can see there is no side panel over here for extra support or anything. Yes, this gives you a nice cleavage, a flattery, a sexy look, but apart from that, these plunge bras, they don't have any other purpose apart from giving you a nice cleavage and nice flattery sexy look. So if you are after cleavage and a flattery sexy look, by all means go for plunge bras. But if you want the extra strength and support, then these plunge bras are not your friends. So I just wanted to wear this and show you guys how the plunge bras look like. So this is the last bra I have for you ladies. So if you already have a really large and big breast and you are just looking for some additional support, a nice cleavage and a nice flattery look, this is a really good bra for you guys. And also for you ladies who have got smaller breast and you want the illusion of a bigger breast, this is gonna work really well for you. So this bra comes with these double straps on both sides, and these double straps, they add extra strength and extra support for your breast. They instantly lift your breast up, and this triangle here, what this triangle is doing, this is pulling your breast apart and giving your breast a more rounder and a more full appearance. So I really love this bra. I think I bought this bra from Bras and Things, and I think I paid $79 for this bra. I really love it. It's really nice, it's flattery and it's comfortable. So yeah, so that's all about today's video guys. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you have got any questions or you got any opinion about my videos, please leave them in the comment section, because your opinion is really important for me to improve my videos. And please subscribe to my channel for the future videos, and I shall see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.